Hello, my name is Owen Inman, and I am your ski instructor and lifty trainer for intercultural programming. This lesson will be covering the French Alps and how to be successful in understanding and implementing their cultural norms. Understanding these cultural norms are of utmost importance to be successful. We will go over a wide spectrum on the French culture and how you, as a ski resort worker, can understand them and be able to implement them to set yourself up in a great spot. To cover the basics of the French culture in preparation for our Alpine work course, we'll cover communication and how these societies function. Often, like many European countries, France has a heavy value on collectivism, although they value individualism equally. For the ski areas, expect there to be an equal split between the two, but in the cities and rural areas, expect there to be an emphasis on collectivism within communities. As for communication, the French have a high context of communication. So using verbal gestures and making sure that all ski students, guests succeed is very important. The French culture values their time, allows them to enjoy life and take in the beauties show up a little slopes. Although the French take their time, it's a show of respect to be on time for formal meetings and occasions. The French have a 35-hour work week, along with a right to disconnect, where members of large companies are not allowed to check work emails while not on hours. Although they prize a high work achievement in their off hours, they value culture, art, and other creativity. Other workers at the resorts may not work the hardest, but are sure to enjoy their time off and may enjoy skiing or listening to music and other forms of arts. The French have a strong belief in promoting sustainable tourism and protecting the environment. Be sure to respect the environment and be prepared to use sustainable transportation like trams, public transportations, and trains. In the spring, shut down your resort. Be prepared to see herds of sheep trimming the grass and keeping the environment in pristine condition in the off season. The importance of equality within France is a very important part of their culture. They have made large steps in the creation of equality within the country. This will reflect on the ski culture by having all sorts of people on the ski hill and giving lessons to people of all skill. Although you could be selected for special programs such as different demographics or skills training due to the high level of professional skiing within France. The French take business etiquette very seriously. Even though you're being trained to be a highly functional ski instructor or lifty, you'll be met with the same standard of etiquette that all French practice. When meeting someone normally, a light kiss on the left and right cheek is accepted, but while on the slopes and at work, a slight head nod is commonly used. Other etiquettes are very important among the French. If invited to a dinner, arrive on time, use common formal dining rules from the United States, and wait for the hostess or host to say bon appetit before eating. In the business life, what you will be focused on is greeting everyone with a handshake, a formal greeting such as bonjour or bonsoir, and refrain from using first names until you're invited to do so. These small commonalities are very important to use while starting a career in the vast French Alps. Thank you and best of luck. For any information, please contact me at my personal email, skifastes@gmail.com. And if you need a list of references for what resort you may be working at, visit this link.